wanawake sana sana katika biashara kuna kazi tofauti. We are dealing in
bari mu rukiko urukwegesa abantu enkora ya agro urukorirwa hari kampi y'Empuungi erukumanywa cyangwa ari mu district ya Kikuube ubu rutebekanisiibwe ministry y'ekikora cy'abantu athampuga rukareberebiwe enkora ya agro mu district ya Kikuube hagizire mu project egi ehindwira amagara g'abakazi abo mu kampi egi. Mpuuga yahanangiririza abakazi bona abo mu district egi okwakira kandi bakakozesa enkora ya agro okwenda kutunguuka.
Bakazi batagwamu amaani projekiti eroho ekora projekiti ya agro kandi tujja kubasensitinga conferences ziri nyingi kutunula sente zoona tujja kwongera kukolagana nabo obuzibu bwona obaine babulete tulina additional people that will service mechanism na blog books wala kutombo ya kuona bakulete kuhandike tunole tule mu twasala kuhandolinga mu kasobe kubendeti
ogu nagira ngo Empuungi zitungira obukogu omu buhingi n'oburiisa hamwe n'ebindi ngo kandi bamwe batandikireho emisiri omu kampi egi.
Yes, kabatendeka under Private Sector Foundation Uganda nekwagana na America Business Institute na Good Leisure Farm bakabatendeka omu bintu bya agriculture as a business, kabatendeka omu bya cosmetology, kabatendeka omu bya business kuliko basobola mu business yabo. Then wakaenda paka ndoba kwa Central Uganda nawe ya training abana omu electrical na well-being.
Abon Kevin Empuungi kutura mu cyangwa refugee camp aina amatsiko mu project egi neza kutungura za businesses zabo aho kugira ngo bingi tubine sente ziri kumara ezo kwongera mu businesses zabo.
From the grow project I think we shall benefit a lot as a group, as women who are already empowered, and the most important thing is that we have little capital. We would like to expand. So with the Grow project having the loans, we shall have access and we shall be able to expand.
We Juliet Charukunda urukutura mugombora ya Cyangwari nagira ngo okurabira mu project ya Grow hayegera kubazira emyenda eshonga habwenki hatiya nabasa kubesaho family ye.
I got some skills about my project. I mean my business. And even from there, I got so many many customers, and I got so far as I talk now, I got three students, which I'm training now, and they are now going to end the training.
Gasha kwa God asaba ahabwa Tayari West.